Running for 30 minutes can have several immediate and long-term effects on the body, depending on factors such as intensity, frequency, and overall fitness level. Here are some general effects of a 30-minute run. 1. Calorie burning. Running for 30 minutes can help burn a significant number of calories, aiding in weight management and contributing to a calorie deficit if accompanied by a healthy diet. 2. Cardiovascular health. Regular 30-minute runs can improve cardiovascular health by strengthening the heart, improving circulation, and reducing the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. 3. Mood enhancement. Running can trigger the release of endorphins, which can lead to a sense of well-being and reduced stress levels, improving overall mood and reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. 4. Improved muscle tone. Running engages various muscle groups, including the legs, core, and even upper body if the arms are used actively. Regular running can contribute to improved muscle tone and strength. 5. Increased lung capacity. Running can help increase lung capacity and improve overall respiratory function, leading to better endurance and physical performance over time. 6. Metabolic benefits. Running can boost the metabolism, leading to increased energy expenditure not only during the exercise itself but also in the hours following the run. 7. Bone density. Regular running can contribute to the maintenance of bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and improving bone health, especially in weight-bearing bones. 8. Improved sleep. Engaging in physical activity like running can help regulate sleep patterns and improve overall sleep quality, leading to better rest and recovery. It is important to note that individual responses to running can vary, and it is essential to maintain proper form, stay hydrated, and listen to your body to prevent injury and ensure a safe and effective workout. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise regimen, especially if you have any underlying health concerns.